How to fix mobile data not working on iPhone. If your cellular data keeps dropping or won't connect, here are some steps you can try. First, swipe down from the top right to open Control Center. Tap the airplane icon to turn it on. Wait a few seconds, then tap it again to reconnect. You should see it say Searching, and then your carrier name at the top. If that doesn't help, open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Cellular. Toggle cellular data off, wait a few seconds, then turn it back on. Next, tap on Cellular Data Options. Turn on Data Roaming, and under Voice and Data, choose 5G Auto. For data mode, avoid Low Data Mode. Set it to Standard or allow more data on 5G. If you're still having issues, go back and toggle your eSIM off, then back on to reset the connection. If you use a physical SIM card, remove it for a few seconds and reinsert it. Another simple fix is restarting your phone. In Settings, go to General and scroll to the bottom to choose Shut Down. Turn it off and back on. It often clears up connection problems. If that fails, go back to General, tap Transfer or Reset iPhone, then select Reset. Choose Reset Network Settings, enter your passcode, and confirm. This will reset Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, VPN, and cellular settings all at once. Finally, if nothing works, it could be a carrier issue instead of your phone. Open a browser and search "Is your carrier down?" to check for outages in your area. If your carrier is having problems, you may need to wait until service is restored. And that's how you can troubleshoot.